Hi, George here, and here's 3 things we love about this Corsair gaming keyboard. It keeps you comfortable during long gaming sessions, provides you with fast and precise key presses, and it lets you customize your RGB lighting effects. You'll be able to comfortably play your favorite games for hours, as the soft touch wrist support makes sure you don't experience strain and aches whilst you're playing. The Cherry MX red switches help you get one step ahead of the competition by providing you with fast and precise key presses to make sure every command is instantly registered. There's also deep customization options for your RGB light settings in the iQ software, so you can choose which patterns and colors you want to illuminate your gaming setup. If you want to find out more, visit us in-store, online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.